Hello dear friends, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today I am going to share with you very stylish latex leather dresses for men. As you can see, shiny pants with beautiful jackets, button jackets, beautiful shoes designs, different types of blazers, and all these designs, different types of outfits and ideas. So keep watching, keep visiting for more videos. Our channel is all about latex fashion. Here you will see different types of outfits, different types of latex leather designs, long power dresses, long coats, and beautiful jackets, stylish pants. So please watch this video till the end. If you want to see something else, you can send us your messages by commenting in the comment section. Beautiful colors, trendy designs. As you can see, all designs are different from each other. Beautiful latex leather, gloves, shiny pants designs, latest trends. So keep watching, keep visiting for more videos. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos. And you will never miss my videos and any collection of my channel. So please keep watching, keep visiting. And you can see latest dresses, skinny tight pants with beautiful jackets, beautiful shoes designs. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video.